Hi everyone, back here again for another video. If you have been to my channel and have seen my videos, you will know that I love my Logitech K380 keyboard. I made my first video on my blue K380 way back in 2017, and I have made several videos since then. Today, I'm comparing my blue keyboard and the pink K380. Plus, I'm adding in the mice that can be paired up with these two keyboards. So let's have a look at the blue K380 with the m337 Bluetooth mouse and the pink K380 with the Pebble mouse. Comparing the colors of this keyboard, there's nothing really much to say. They're both different, obviously, and which one you want to get is totally your own preference. I got the blue one because at the time I bought this, there was only this and the black one. I love this since the beginning and I've used it every day at work. So obviously this has signs of normal wear and tear, plus the fact that it's an old keyboard. This blue keyboard spacebar, especially the area that I always rest my thumb on, definitely looks beat up, but I don't really mind it. I don't feel it when I'm typing and it doesn't affect my typing at all. The pink K380 is quite new, and I believe it came out late last year or maybe earlier this year. And since this is a new keyboard, then obviously it will look physically better than the blue one. I received many questions if the letters on the keys on the blue K380 gets erased or not. So here's a close look at the keys after using it for almost 4 years. The letter C has faded a bit, but it's still visible, but all the other keys are okay. As for the pink one, obviously it's new and the stickers are placed on each key, so I don't think the letters will be erased. What I don't like about these stickers is that the dirt gets stuck in it, and I think it may look nasty in the long run. Now, typing on these two K380 keyboards should be the same. So, let me show you some typing comparisons and let me know if you see and hear any differences. Now, moving on to the Pebble mouse and the m337 mouse. I got the m337 a few months after I got my blue K380 keyboard. So, I've had this for almost 4 years too. It was a perfect pair for me. The colors match, and obviously both are wireless and were my first wireless keyboard and mouse. I loved using it at work as it made my desk look cleaner. The clicks on the mouse are definitely clicky, but the scroll wheel is not that loud. It has this curve that my wrist can rest on, even by just a bit. I use this more at work than on my iPad though. But using it on the iPad, I can use it like any other Logitech mouse, and I can customize the usual left and right and the scroll wheel button. Note though that only the scroll button can be customized, but not the scroll left or right, the horizontal scroll. Also, this small square button cannot be used nor customized as well. I can use it though when I use this on my Windows laptop. The battery of the m337 should last 10 months, and I believe in one of my video or specifically my unboxing video for this mouse, I added a comment that it indeed lasted me 10 months. Now that I use a rechargeable battery, I noticed that it varies depending on how much charge I have left on the battery itself. But anyway, I have not been using this much because of the clicking issues I had lately, but now it seems to be working well again, so I'll try to use it more and see how it goes. Now, for the Pebble mouse, the big difference with the m337 is that the Pebble mouse is a quiet mouse. I made other videos on the Pebble mouse, so I won't go much into the details in this video. You can check out my other videos in the description box below. What I will show you here is how quiet the clicks are on the Pebble mouse and how using the scroll wheel sounds like. Here I want to highlight the difference of using the scroll wheel. Scrolling seems smoother on the m337. I like the feel of the scroll wheel and how it moves the pages on my iPad. I literally feel the scroll is smooth, and every scroll I make makes the page move accordingly. It follows the scroll that I make. Now, if I compare it to the m350 Pebble mouse, I mentioned in my other videos that the scroll wheel seems a bit rough. I noticed that sometimes it scrolls a little part of the page, but then sometimes all of a sudden it jumps to a big scroll. Here's what I mean. So I hope this comparison is useful for you, and if you have questions, leave it down below. I'll try my best to reply. I did not really mean to go into spec details because you can find this information in Logitech's website and all over the internet. Same with my other videos. I mostly go through the topics or areas that I use these devices for, as I think most of us average users will look out for and want to find more information on. So thanks for dropping by, and that's it. Thanks for watching.